Acting Chief Justice Roxanne George today, upon hearing the first case challenging the December 21, 2018 vote in the National Assembly, said she will rule on all cases related to the vote at the end of this month and will treat same with urgency. Seneca Thorne was at the High Court today and has her first report.
Chief Justice Roxanne George on Tuesday said she will stick to the timelines given to the parties to make their submissions and rebuttals. The attorneys in the matters will have to file their pleadings and make their submissions by January 18, while rebuttals will be heard by January 21. Oral arguments have been set for January 23 and 24. Speaking to the media after the hearing, Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Senior Counsel Wassel Williams, said he intends to proceed with his submissions and arguments.
I've been working on it, so it might not necessarily depend, because look, the leader of the opposition said he's not filing anything in Christopher Ram's matter because he supports it. I obviously support the application by Compton Reed. So I would develop my application in relation to the requisite majority which we contended was not obtained in breach of Article 106.6. And so we will try to manage the timelines.
The Attorney General said that the APNU plus AFC government maintains its position that the December 21, 2018 vote was not passed by a majority in the Parliament.
Article 70 is an entrenched provision in the Constitution. You require a 2/3 majority to amend it, and that article provides for a 5-year term. And only the President, who is a part of the government, could truncate that term by dissolving or proroguing. But there's no provision by the framers. In fact, it was not in the 1980 Constitution. The framers of the 1980 Constitution dropped that provision out. It was in the 1966 Constitution, but it was not included in the 1980 Constitution. It was only recently included in 2000, when several others were included. And so we're saying that that act, which purported to create Articles 106.6 and 106.7, really was ultra-virus Article 70, because you're in effect using Article 106 to amend Article 70, which requires a 2/3 majority, but you only require a simple majority to amend Article 106.
The three matters are Compton Reed versus the Attorney General, former Member of Parliament Charandas Prasad, and the Speaker of the National Assembly. The Attorney General versus the Speaker of the National Assembly and the Opposition Leader, and Christopher Ram versus the Attorney General and Speaker of the National Assembly. During Tuesday's hearing, APNU General Secretary and Minister of State Joseph Harmon was given the green light to join the Compton Reed matter. He has been represented by Attorney Roysdale Ford. However, the Chief Justice threw out an application by Safir Hussain of the National Independence Party to become part of the matter. Seneca Thorne, InfoHub.